beauty again. Welcome to our channel. Today in the kitchen, I have Jeff with me. I'm the one doing the intro today, so take it that way.
Yes, guys. So I'm going to do something called, and it's just a simple okra soup. Okay, it's really simple. It's really easy. So if you know you love to cook, just make sure you subscribe, like, that thumbs up. Just go below the screen. It's not too far. It's just some few inches below. Click the thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. You have the channel go further. You have to see the video.
Please.
So yeah, guys, that's it. Now let's just get to what we're doing. So guys, we have our ingredients. We have our okra, we have our fresh pepper, we have our tomato, we have our drumstick, chicken drumstick, we have our, okay mom,
Let me show you. Drumstick.
We have our chicken drumstick,
And we have our
kanda,
Omo
kanda, yeah, it has names.
African.
It has names. I think it's cow ear or cow something.
Cow
skin.
Cow skin.
Then we still have our salt, our crayfish, red oil, rosemary,
curry leaf,
onion, onga, maggi,
yeah, seasoning.
onga seasoning.
Then we have our
tilapia fish.
Is it golden fish or whatever?
We have our fish. And then that's all.
So
there's nothing.
later, this one will be later. Cassava
Dough. Yeah, mix it. Cassava dough.
Yeah, we'll make it.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, those are the ingredients. Let's just get right into this.
So, friends, welcome back. As you can see, our fish is well washed. So, I'm just going to add just a little salt to this. Today, I'm so excited. I'm so happy that we are going to be showing how we prepare our local soup. So, this is black pepper. I just dropped some black pepper on the fish. Then we come here. Here is my drumstick and my kanda. Kanda, yes, is well washed. So I'm just going to transfer it to the pot. All these things are just what I gather from the fridge. So just like that. You add salt, seasoning, little salt. And I'll add my seasoning. So as you can see, this is the fish. And here is the drumstick and the kanda. That's the pomo. Okay, so I'm not putting it yet. I will allow it to cook for a while before adding the fish. Then here is my washed tomato and my washed okra. So I'm just going to cut them. Okra now, cut it big like this. The soup will not be dry. Just you'll be seeing the okra in it, in the soup. So, join me in cutting it. This is our momo. This is our pomo and 2 drumsticks that we have in the pot. So now it has been cooked for about 5 minutes. As you can see, it's half done. It's not well done, it's half. So now I'm going to put in the fish, drop it carefully. I need this stick to cook it for me. Let me add little water to it. Okay, that's enough. Then you allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. We have our local mortar, because so we are going to pound our pepper. Today we are making local soup, so that's why we are using this local mortar. So we pound our pepper and this crayfish, wash and pound. Okay, our meat is well done, it's okay, yeah, it's well cooked. So I'm going to turn off the gas. Okay. So we are about to make the cassava dough. Just turn it into the pot. I know many African people know this. Apple, some Igbos, some part of Nigeria they call it apple. While my side they call it fufu. So put it on the stove. Just be turning it. Turning it like this. You will not go anywhere. Just stay close and turning it. Release it. Everything locally made. Then you stir it. Friends, come with me. Let's go. So this is it. You can see this is after 5 minutes. So here is our okra. Put it in. Alright, carry it like this. Then you carry it. You take your meat and this stuff. Pour it in. Just like that. Just like that. Magic. Then this is our crayfish in. Okay. Stir it carefully so you not hurt your hand or your body. Okay, so this is it. The next thing, I'm going to slice the curry leaf and put it just for garnishing. Then here is our cassava dough. See, it's progressing well. So see you later. Okay. So here's our fish and our curry leaf. Sorry, I had to get this from my garden this morning since I did not go to the market. So this quantity will be enough. Alright, so stay like this. Then put your fish last. Fish goes in last. Okay. Carefully you cover it with soup.